Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious pulled pork. We'll start by selecting the right cut of meat, typically a pork shoulder or Boston butt, weighing around 3 to 5 pounds. Then, we'll create a fantastic dry rub using common spices like paprika, brown sugar, and garlic powder. The secret to truly tender pulled pork lies in the slow cooking process, which we will explore in detail. Before applying your rub, it's important to prepare the pork shoulder. Carefully trim any large pieces of excess fat, but leave about 1/4 of an inch to help keep the meat moist and flavorful during cooking. Now, generously apply your dry rub, making sure every surface of the pork is thoroughly coated. For the best flavor penetration, let the seasoned pork rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Now for the cooking, you have a couple of great options. For a slow cooker, set it to low for 8 to 10 hours or high for 4 to 6 hours. If you prefer using an oven, preheat it to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 6 to 8 hours. Regardless of the method, the pork is ready when its internal temperature reaches at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's incredibly tender. Once cooked, remove the pork from your slow cooker or oven and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. This resting period helps the juices redistribute, making the meat even more tender and flavorful. Now, using 2 forks, easily pull the meat apart into delicious, shreddable strands. Finally, mix your perfectly shredded pork with your favorite barbecue sauce and serve it warm on soft buns. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.